Alligator's back.
Yeah, it's a crocodile and an alligator.
Okay, you had fun today?
I'm having some fun.
Let's go check some more animals and then we'll get out of here.
Oh, look at that little leaf. Just like so interesting. I love their eyes.
Elena, there you go.
Their lashes are so
There you go.
Yeah.
She says to pooey to you.
Yeah, right? She's like, you have no food?
No food.
What's up with that? Huh?
There's the rhinos. Hey. You been liking it?
Loving it. This is great. It's really a great zoo.
Supposed to be top 3 in the nation. That's what Big said.
Sounds like it's worth it.
Like it?
Yes. Jenny went zip line.
Oh, you did do the zip line? Yep, I did the zip line.
Not I.
Hey, turn that radio down a second bit, if you don't mind.
Not at all.
There we go. Anna, you okay? Did you miss us?
Yes, she did.
You smell like a zoo.
She missed her handouts. That's what she missed.
Thank you, Vic, for bringing us to the zoo.
Oh, no problem.
Yes.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't